Well, I think you already can guess what I'm doing. Yeah, I'm loading on my computer case. I do this once a week, but since this is on my terabyte channel, I figured I'd just do this. I do this about once a month, so this is about a month. See how dusty is. You notice I've deleted the other two videos that are on there about the HP. I figured they can go to double extract. I'll leave the links below. So if you searched it up and found this video, the links are below to go to that video because that's just simply easier. Somebody already reported the channel for copyright because they took my videos. Man, oh man, that was a pain in the ass because it's like, no, it's me. I just re-uploaded on a different channel, so I won't be doing that anymore. So what I do is I just drain out the air compressor was left in it, filling it back up, and I'll drain it back down and get the moisture out of it because you do not want to put moisture on your motherboard or any components. Kind of obvious. It will also blow out my desk. Dust everywhere. Better put away some stuff. I'll do that now. So yeah, cool. Alright, that's probably the last time I have to do that. So, lay this on your sound, you hit the power button, get all discharged and that stuff, and then you just, simple, unscrew this. And then, if I did it right, it just pops off. Well, technically it's supposed to pop off. Okay, well this is weird. Where's the bottom? Oh, come on, really? Oh, well. There we go. Maybe a little violent with it. She's a little dusty. I think a little air blowing out will do. I only got 8 gigabyte strips. And there's dust in there. I think what I'm trying to do is stand up on its side. Do that instead. That way any dust that's in there will go out that way. So yeah, we'll go with the air compressor. I mean, you could use a duster, but I don't like how they get water in them. Alright, let me go plug this in and try it again. It just shows you how dusty this is.
Here.
Alright, round 2. And if I get tangled in the hose. Alright. I think that's pretty good. Okay, now I'm going to do my desk. There, that was a little bit cleaner. And you can watch my butt. Well, first, I have to put the case back on. If I just brush off this stuff. Your computer, I don't really like how HP does their cable management right there, but oh well. Let's see if I can nail this every time. Yep, I can. First time. Tighten up the screw. Okay, and then I'm going to go over here and put it back in the hole. See if we have contact. We should. So I forgot. Back cable management. Alright. I think it's officially loaded. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. And that's how I do it. You can use a duster, but I don't really like them because I'm afraid that if you turn them a certain way, you'll get water coming out or that stuff that you're not supposed to taste in case you're inhaling air. But I don't like that, so I can use the air compressor. So just make sure that there's no condensation in the tanks. You're not going to mess up your motherboard or stuff like that. Windows 10. Like it a lot. I like how these screensavers change. Looks nice. The only sad thing is that my NVIDIA GeForce Experience, after the update, said it was supposed to work with Windows 10, but it doesn't. So I'm not able to do any recording gameplay videos, so that sucks. But I might have the results here for apps and that stuff. It kind of sucks. I'm going to start looking into it a little bit more often. Been fighting this thing for the past 2 weeks because I don't know if it's... I'm pretty sure it's the internet because I was playing single player... I was playing zombies, it lags. I was playing multiplayer. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad. I think it's the internet. Oh, I have to throw my nose now. It bulged.